talk here. I'm gonna turn this thing down. I'm gonna scramble the cube, so you know I'm gonna do it completely random. Ooh, that's nasty. And I'm gonna scramble it up, and then I'm gonna show you I can solve it. And I'm getting faster at it. I've just kind of mastered it a little bit. I'm gonna scramble it now, and I'm not gonna look. I don't really care. But yeah, so it's really cool. I bought the speed cube from China. Apparently, the world record holder uses it, and he does it in 5.5 seconds. I can't go that fast. I'll be fortunate if I get 2 minutes with you here. And so I'm just gonna randomly turn the cube, and you can see it's pretty darn scrambled right now. You know, I'm not gonna time it. The video will show how long I did it. You know, it's a scrambled cube. There's nothing really obviously solved in any sort of way. I didn't memorize what I just did because I'm talking. You know, I can't talk and do 2 things at once. So now I'm going to observe the cube to see how I want to start this off and what's going to get me a good position to be in. Let's see here. This is what you normally do. You want to observe the cube. There's really no pattern here. I'm not going to teach you today how to do it, but I am going to do it. So I'm going to work on, since there's nothing really, I'm just going to work on the green side. It's the basic one to start off with. So here we go. So first you got to build the cross. This won't be the fastest in the world because I'm a little nervous. I get nervous under pressure a little bit. Okay. Oopsie. Lost hold of the cube. Okay, got the green side solved. Okay, move on to the sides. There you go, Tom. Check that out, dude. I solved the cube!